For the current date equal today function, open parenthesis, close parenthesis and press the enter key. Function returned today's date into the cell. Now the keyboard shortcut for current date, press Ctrl semicolon. This one is a static value that will not change, and here we have a dynamic formula that will update every time when this workbook recalculate. To replace this word office with the words listed in the adjacent cells, in the formula bar equal substitute open parenthesis first argument text, select the cell containing the text string, comma, second argument old text. Office is the word which we want to replace, so office will become the old text, double quotes, office, double quotes, comma, third argument new text. We want to replace office with Excel, so Excel will become the new text. Enter. See, the word office is replaced with Excel. Let's copy the formula into the cells below. To find the day of the week corresponding to this date, equal weekday, open parenthesis, select the cell containing date, enter. Formula returned the number 7, which means this date falls on a Saturday. Now to display the name of the day corresponding to this number, we'll create a list of days. In the formula bar, equal index, open parenthesis, select the list of days, F4 to log the references, comma, select the cell where we used weekday function, enter. Let's change the date, and the formula is updated. To delete the blank rows in this dataset, we'll select these columns, Ctrl G, go to dialog is activated, special, in the go to special dialog box, blanks, OK. See, all the blank cells in the dataset are selected. Right click on any of the selected cells, delete, shift cells up, OK. All the empty rows in the dataset are deleted. To add a column of automatically updating serial numbers to this data, we'll select this data, Ctrl T, create table, OK. Selected data is converted into an Excel table. In the adjacent column, create a column header. In the formula bar, equal row function, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, minus row function, open parenthesis. Select this column header, close parenthesis, enter. And now we have a column of automatically updating serial numbers. Let's delete some of these rows. Right click, delete, table rows. See, the serial numbers got updated. Let's add some new rows. Again, the serial numbers got updated. Now if you want to shift this column to the beginning of this table, select this column, click on the border of the column and drag and drop it in the beginning of this table. To filter all those values that end with the word Abath, in the cell next to the last cell, type in asterisk Abath, enter, right click on this cell, filter, filter by selected cell's value. And we have all those values that end with the word Abath. Now for the values that end with the word Pura, type in Pura, enter, right click, filter, filter by selected cell's value.